and at the forefront of a modern-day food revolution that is fresher, more local, and more global than ever before. I'm embarking on a journey across the state to explore the very best of food here.
This is honestly my favorite way to eat an egg.
Break bread with some of Goa's most loved chefs and understand what food really means to communities here. Watch postcards from Goa on National Geographic.
Coastal paradise, abundance of natural beauty, cultural richness and delectable cuisine stands tall as one of the most sought-after destinations in the world. I am Goa. Golden sands and waves embrace the shoreline, where adventure awaits in thrilling water sport of every kind. Feel the rush as you surf, dive and sail. Goa's seas and beaches, an aquatic paradise unveiled. I am a thrilling delight for those who want a rush, parasailing above, feeling weightless and free. Jet skiing, kayaking, from scuba diving to thrilling boat rides, Goa's adventure sports bring smiles far and wide. From adventure to chill, indulge in opulence at my luxurious retreats, where comfort and relaxation await in elegant suites. With chilling, the complete rejuvenation I offer by experience, my beachside meditations to holistic retreats. Detox your mind, body and soul anew. Amidst nature's beauty, find wellness in true sense. After mind to satisfy your taste bud, enjoy the flavors of Goan cuisine divine. With spices and herbs that perfectly align. From fiery curries to tangy fish curry rice, Goa's seafood delicacies are an absolute paradise. These are the part entire world is aware of. Now take me to part which is Beyond Beaches. Know me more. My monsoon are as satisfying as my other two seasons. When the monsoon clouds gather above, Goa's beauty transforms with rain's gentle love. Lush greenery emerges, a vibrant display. Rain-kissed beaches and cascading waterfalls, nature's symphony as the monsoon calls. Away from the city's noisy strife, find tranquility in the deep green jungle life. Fishing tours or crocodile sights, thrilling encounters, nature's delights. Alone or with loved ones, feel the green and let the freedom ring. In my heart of verdant embrace lies a mystical place, hinterland's grace. Where palm-fringed rivers gently flow, nature's splendor unfolds at every bend. As lush jungles and hills descend, tranquil villages hide amidst the green, rustic vibe yet to be seen. I offer a blend of comfort and local flavors. Homestays offer authentic cultural savors, from traditional meals to heartfelt stories. Goa's homestays create cherished memories. In the tranquil embrace of a Goan village, a warm welcome awaits, a gesture of homage. Experience the essence of Goan life, where you won't be welcomed as guest, but as my own. Experience my festivals, vibrant and grand, from carnival's revelry to Shigmo's colorful band, monsoon time mud and Chicalcalo's thrill, Sao Jao's waters, the joyful and refreshing spill. Unveil my rich history, witness civilizations spanning centuries, explore my colonial legacy and the profound impact I had on the world. Embrace the unity of diverse cultures and religions, enamored by my charm. Experience the storytelling architecture in the delightful lanes. I am a divine pathway connecting souls to the Almighty, resonating in my renowned temples bestowed with the name Dakshin Kashi. I am glorified as a religious destination too. In my scenic realm, digital nomads reside. Laptop in hand, they find inspiration anew, embracing the freedom with amazing view. I am called as paradise, but to make me a paradise, my government walks made some extraordinary efforts. With love for me, initiatives arise, caring for biodiversity, a precious prize, preserving fragile ecosystems, a noble quest, creating a healthier world, for it is best. My roads and highways, a traveler's delight, train connectivity, seamless and vast. With 2 airports and ships that sail, multiple ways to arrive without fail. With every stride, Goa's progress is strong. Under the leadership of Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, respected Tourism Minister Shri Rohan Kanute by their side, working tirelessly with clear vision of 360-degree development. There is a first of its kind collaborative Dekho Apna Desh mission, launched by none other than our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. There is an incredible 25-year vision for my future in place. Economic and strategic ties with over 40 countries have been established. Goa's homestay policies foster warm hospitality and authentic experiences. Goa's caravan policy paves the way for adventure on wheels. Goa's integrated beach management policy ensures the preservation and sustainable development of its coastal treasures. Tourist safety in Goa is prioritized with dedicated measures in place, offering a secure and enjoyable experience throughout their stay. And then the movies. It's always rolling lights, camera and action here. For Goa is a hot favorite in the film fraternity, and not just in India, but across the world. My love, get that tan. Enjoy that drink. Dance till you drop. Go play in the water. Celebrate life. Have that night and promise me when you go back, you will leave a part of you with me, and I will be with you forever. Come, find that happy face in the happy place.
I'm on a quest to explore the history of Goa. A land steeped in diverse and intersecting cultures and traditions.
I think this is one of my favorite pieces of art in the city.
Here, influences from multiple faiths coalesce in beautiful ways. From religious sites to charming villages and vibrant streets. Watch postcards from Goa on National Geographic. Goa, an adventure paradise like none other. From lush forests to rugged hills, from pristine ocean beach stretches to stunning lakes, there is something to explore in every corner of the state. And some adventures are wilder than others.
This is incredible.
Watch postcards from Goa on National Geographic. Goa, a food paradise, both steeped in historical culinary tradition and at the forefront of a modern-day food revolution that is fresher, more local, and more global than ever before. I'm embarking on a journey across the state to explore the very best of food here.
This is honestly my favorite way to eat an egg.
Break bread with some of Goa's most loved chefs and understand what food really means to communities here.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Watch postcards
I request
from
all of
Goa
you to
on
please
National
take your
Geographic.
seats. The show is about to begin in a very short while from now. Please keep your mobile phones on silent and grab your seats immediately. Thank you.
Fire, burn, stay up, gunman. Hey, I'm feeling I just wanna dance. That the feeling you don't wanna wait. I know that you want me here and now. Fire, burn.
just how you like it. Thanks to my friends.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is going to begin in a very short while from now. I request you all humbly to please take your seats. And again, a gentle reminder, keep your mobile phones on silent. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawantji. Please give him a warm round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Turned into this grand, beautiful occasion where strategy is going to meet soul. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we have the world's best minds that have gathered here for one of the greatest intellectual battles ever. Because we are here for Fide World Cup 2025.
Let's hear it. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, from grandmasters to prodigies, from chess icons to young dreamers, all are present here in India, the birthplace of chess, the land where Chaturanga was born over 1500 years ago. And after 23 long years, the Chess World Cup finally returns home to India. How incredible is that?
Truly historic. I mean, I have to say that. And speaking of global, we have 206 participants from 80 countries competing for a total prize pool of a staggering $2 million US. I mean, that's going to take a lot of strategy and it's a lot of motivation.
And yes, ladies and gentlemen, among them are our own Indian stars, grandmasters, young prodigies, and trailblazers who carry the tricolor on the chessboard with pride. So Goa, make some noise for Team India!
Wow, that feels so good. You know, Siddharth, chess isn't just a game. It's a conversation between minds, a battle of patience, logic, and intuition.
Yes, and did you know the word checkmate actually comes from the Persian shamat, meaning the king is helpless. A very good reminder in the philosophy of life, just like in chess, every move counts.
Absolutely. And speaking of champions, our dearest Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawantji, has made a truly heartwarming gesture, which is the school children from across Goa have the most wonderful opportunity to attend all of these matches for free. Well, what a visionary initiative, because, well, who knows, our next Grandmaster might just be watching from these seats this evening.
That's so true. Give it up for all the young children who are the present and future of not only India, but the world. Give it up for those children, please. With dreams in their eyes, they're set to conquer the world. Now for everyone eager to experience this incredible tournament, tickets are now available on bookmyshow.com. So we really encourage everyone to grab their seats, head to Rio Resorts, Goa, and witness the most incredible battle which is going to happen over the next 30 days.
Absolutely, so exciting. Well, the minds are ready, the crowd is electric, and India's spirit is unstoppable. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome our dignitaries, our grandmasters, our officials, and every chess lover in this place who believes that the mind is mightier than the sword.
So ladies and gentlemen,
welcome to the Fide World Cup 2025 opening ceremony. Woo! Wow. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we begin this grand celebration, may I request all of you to kindly rise for the national anthem of India.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
I request all of you to please take your seats. Now, as every auspicious moment, ladies and gentlemen, we obviously deserve some divine light. Now, we'd like to invite our distinguished dignitaries to kindly come forward for the lighting of the lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege and honor to invite Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Honorable Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Labour and Employment, Government of India, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia. Honorable Minister for Art and Culture, Tribal Welfare and Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Goa, Dr. Ramesh Dawalkar. President Fide Arkady Dorkovich. Chief Secretary, Government of Goa, Dr. V. Kandavalu, IAS. President AICF, Shri Nitin Narangji. Secretary, Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Goa, Shri Santosh Sukhdave, IAS. Director, Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Goa, Dr. Ajay R. Gowde.
Ladies and gentlemen, may this light symbolize wisdom, strength, and the enduring brilliance of India, the land that gave the world the game of the kings. Let's have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Now we have the blessings we need. Our path has been lit for the way forward to be bright and victorious for everyone competing in this World Cup.
Well, I'd request Dr. Ajay Gowde ji to present the floral bouquets. And gentlemen, can I request Dr. Ajay, sir, to please do the honors. Everyone's worked so hard for this event, ladies and gentlemen, giving their blood, sweat, and toil. I request Dr. Ajay Gowde ji to present it to Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Of course, with such esteemed dignitaries present like the Honorable Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Labour and Employment, Government of India, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ji. Each and every guest means the world to us and has made India so proud by working hard for the society, for the government, for the people, for sports fans, and of course, in the world of chess as well. Remember, this is a very historic moment, ladies and gentlemen. Goa with open arms welcomes each and every one. Yes, Fide World Cup Goa 2025 is here, and how?
Absolutely. Well, once again, welcome to all our dignitaries who've been kind enough to take out precious time from their busy schedules to join us on this very, very grand and momentous occasion. We are very, very grateful to have all of your presence here to make this very special and heartwarming.
Ladies and gentlemen, remember, 80 countries and the sharpest minds in the world of chess are present here to create history together. Every moment, next 30 days, is going to be remembered for moves which is beyond the realms of the ordinary. And everyone going to boundaries never seen before.
Absolutely. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, now to officially commence this evening, continuing in the spirit of vision and leadership, please help us welcome on stage a man who has been instrumental in steering Goa's growth as a global sporting destination. Please put your hands together and help us welcome Shri Santosh Sukhdeveji, IAS, Secretary of Sports. A very, very warm welcome, sir.
Namaskar, sir. We are waiting to hear from you, and congratulations to you too for this magnum opus event. All yours, sir.
Namaste and good evening, distinguished guests, players and friends. On behalf of government and people of Goa, it is my privilege to welcome you to the opening ceremony of Fide World Cup 2025. We are honored by the presence of our esteemed dignitaries, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Mansukh Mandviya, Honorable Union Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of India, Dr. Ramesh Tavadkar, Honorable Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Goa, Mr. R.K.D. Vukovic, President of Fide, Dr. V. Kandavelu, Chief Secretary, Government of Goa, Mr. Nitin Narang, President of All India Chess Federation, Honorable MPs, and all the distinguished guests, grandmasters, officials, coaches, arbiters, and emerging players present here today. I extend a heartfelt welcome to all of you. We are extremely thrilled and honored to host this prestigious championship for the very first time here in Goa. The game of chess, admired for its strategy and skill, originated in India, where it began as Chaturanga and gradually evolved into the modern form played worldwide today. We celebrate not just the sporting milestone, but a moment of global connection. This event brings together the world's most
Chess has traveled far, yet its heart beats in India. India, the land that gave the world its most intellectual sport, now leads it. A new generation of grandmasters, fearless, focused, and forging a global legacy. Under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India is witnessing a sporting renaissance, where every game becomes a journey of discipline, discovery, and national pride. And with the guidance of Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, Goa is transforming into a global destination for sport, tourism, and youth excellence. Chess isn't just a game, it's patience and passion. It's silence and storm. It's strategy and soul. In Goa's warmth and India's wisdom, the spirit of chess finds
to another level.
I mean, definitely. And mind games, right? Someone's got to be thinking of so many moves to be able to keep. That India, which is a land of mindfulness and
Well, ladies and gentlemen, magnificent cultural landscape. From the grandeur of its classical traditions to the pulse of its folk dances, from ancient heritage to contemporary expression, this performance brings it all together in one spectacular experience.
absolutely. And to least when we say that this is more than just a dance. It's India in motion. A living canvas of diversity, energy, and emotion, echoing the spirit that defines our nation.
So get ready to witness this magic unfolding right here, right now. Presenting one of India's finest, the incredible Hormas Kambara Dance Company, paying a tribute to culture, color, and soul of India.
Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਗਿੱਧਾ ਪਾਵਣ ਓਏ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਗਿੱਧਾ ਪਾਵਣ ਨੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਮਨਾਉਂਦੇ ਤੇ ਗੀਤ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਗਾਵਣ ਨੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਮਨਾਉਂਦੇ ਤੇ ਗੀਤ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਗਾਵਣ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਲੜ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਲੜ ਗਈ ਅੱਖ ਲੜ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਲੜ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਲੜ ਗਈ ਅੱਖ ਲੜ ਗਈ
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति केशितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूतिकृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते.
Ladies and gentlemen, we believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That means the world is one family.
So beat it, just beat it. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. So beat it, but you wanna be bad, bad, bad,
ta jum nam ta rum ta dhalam ko tak tak ko da da gida 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 jum ta ka jum ta takita ta da ta jum gida jum ta tanam ta rum ta takita ta da gida gida tarita ta dhanata ta runata ta dimita ta da jum ta tanam ta rum ta gadim takita gida dim ta tarigida ta jum dim da ta jum nam da ta jum tam takita dhana ta tarigida dim ta tarigida ta jum dim takita jum takita jum ta jum takita ta jum tarigida dam tarita ta dhana tarita ta tarigida ta Dhanata jum tarita dhanata tarigida ta jum dim da ta jum nam takita jum ta dim tum nam ta tarigida dhanata tarigida dhanata dim ta tarita ta dhanata tarita dhanata tarigida dim tarigida dim tarigida jum tarigida tarigida
पेरदीची शपथ हाय तुला मायभूमीची मरणाशी सन्नत लावून नशान तुफान बेभान नाच करू वस्तू जीव शिवबाच्या पायावरी आमचा मल्हारी आमचा मल्हारी
Mucha mama, ani ao Santa Tuta. Mucha mama, ani ao Santa Tuta. Ani malori chapila lagi solu maginaka. Ani malori chapila lagi solu maginaka. Undi mama I love, ani pachi panali kulo. Undi mama I love, ani pachi panali kulo. Ani malori chapila nataka yaka gasa nailo. Ani malori chapila nataka yaka gasa nailo. Ya ya. యొక్క తక్కువ సైతా బురకంగాలను తోళ్ళు అరే పట్ల చొయ్యకాయరే చెడును బయలు రాండు అరే పట్ల చొయ్యకాయరే చెడును బయలు రాండు యా యా మయా యా 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 మయా యా
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Horma's Kambara Dance Company. What energy, what vibe, louder for them. Please, ladies and gentlemen, that was quite a roller coaster ride of chills, frills, and thrills. Indian culture, world music, everything being put together.
Absolutely. And I saw so many of them beautifully capturing the essence of India on their phones, taking these memories back. Because yes, this day is very, very special.
And yes, the world is watching us now. And as the energy settles, we move from the language of dance to the voice of inspiration. Every great journey begins with a vision, and ours is guided by a leader who has tirelessly championed India's sporting renaissance on the world stage. It is an honor to present a very special message from the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, as he shares his thoughts on India's sporting journey and this glorious celebration of chess. And to deliver this message, we now invite on stage Shri Nitin Narang ji to kindly read it out. Louder for him, ladies and gentlemen. Truly an iconic leader.
Honorable Union Sports Minister Shri Mansukh Mandavia ji, Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant ji, Honorable Sports Minister Goa, Fide President Akari, and dignitaries. Good evening, everyone. Namaskar. It is an honor for me to read out the message of the most popular leader in the world, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. The message reads, it is a matter of great pride and honor that the Fide Chess World Cup 2025 returns to India after more than 2 decades. Organized by the International Chess Federation and the All India Chess Federation in Goa, the tournament brings together leading global chess players in their bid to become the king and queen of the world of chess. With its serene landscape nestled in the lap of nature, Goa stands as a truly befitting venue for the Chess World Cup. The tranquil charm of this land perfectly complements the quiet intensity and the intellectual grace of the game. As the Chess World Cup returns to the home of chess, it feels as though the game has come full circle. India's growing role as a host to major international sporting events continues and augurs well for both India and the world. Sports have been an integral part of our daily life and have even held a divine presence in our place in our culture. It will be interesting for many to learn that there is an ancient legend in which Lord Shiva engaged in a game of chess with the princess. A temple in the southern part of our country, India, stands testimony to this. With an inherent power to unite, sports connect people across borders and cultures, fostering teamwork, respect, and a sense of belonging that transcends the game itself. I am sure that chess aficionados from across the nation and the world will throng to enjoy and experience the ebb and flow of chess. May the Fide Chess World Cup 2025 inspire youngsters in large numbers to play chess. It is a special occasion and an opportunity for the players to not only showcase their talents, but also inspire younger generations. Further, I am sure that the people of India will leave no stone unturned in ensuring that all international players go home with pleasant memories and cultural experiences. Best wishes to all the players and organizers for making this tournament a success. With these words, I declare the Fide Chess World Cup 2025 open. Signed by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big thank you to Shri Nitin Narangji, President, All India Chess Federation. Thank you so much for reading that esteemed letter out, sir. And we truly admire the journey that you have for our federation and the work that you do for the society. Please give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for his inspiring words and for his unwavering encouragement towards India's sporting excellence. And we must also acknowledge the guiding vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, whose belief in India's youth, intellect, and sports has made moments like this possible. In the last decade, India has hosted world-class sporting events, and chess, India's own gift to the world, is now shining on the global stage once again.
Absolutely. Well, moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we now have the honor of hearing from a distinguished leader who has been instrumental in strengthening chess as a truly global sport, fostering excellence, inclusivity, and innovation across nations. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming on stage Mr. Arkady Dvorkovich, President of Fide, the International Chess Federation. A very, very warm welcome, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, dear colleagues, dear friends. It's my great honor to welcome all of you at the opening ceremony of the FIDE World Cup 2025 here in India at Goa. We are starting one of the most important and most dramatic events in the World Championship cycle of FIDE. Only 3 of the 206 players in this event will get to qualify for the 2026 Candidates Tournament, determining who the next challenger for the world crown will be. And that is beside taking a very prestigious title and becoming a part of chess history. For the next 4 weeks, Goa will be the capital of chess, where top world players will face a single elimination reality. This is where legends are challenged and new champions born, a process that has been dramatically enriched by the incredible new generation of chess stars. I'm proud to say that over the years, FIDE has managed to grow this event in terms of the number of players and funds, thanks to finding global partners. We are committed to doing even more in the years to come, as you have seen with the recent announcement of the Total World Championship. It is absolutely right that the World Cup is returning to India after 23 years. India has not just the ancient home of chess, not just the motherland of chess, but one of the greatest modern powerhouses of the chess in the world. I would like to thank the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports of India. I would like to thank the Sport Authority of India, the government of Goa, the Sport Authority of Goa for making this possible. And of course, many thanks to the All Indian Chess Federation on the great work they have been done so far and continue to do, which is exemplified by this event. And I would like to thank all local citizens everyone who is involved in the organization of the event, who are smiling, who are working every day, 24 hours, and provide great hospitality to everyone here at Goa. And I'm sure that it's going to be an event that everyone will memorize. And I hope that you will come back to Goa not just to play chess, which is of course a profession, a challenge that you have where you explore your talents, but also to enjoy and rest. Once again, I wish you all the best of luck, fair play, fun memories, and last but of course not least, maybe even the most important thing, I would like to thank His Excellency Prime Minister Modi for his enormous support of chess and declaring the World Cup here in India at Goa open. Thanks a lot, and I wish you all the luck.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring words and for your vision in strengthening chess as a truly global sport. Give it up for the president of Fide, Mr. Arkady Dvorkovich. Like he said, louder, everybody. Our noise, energy, and claps should reach the whole world.
Absolutely.
You know, it's only getting stronger and stronger by the second. This moment carries even greater meaning because Fide, the International Chess Federation, has completed its 100th year since its founding in 1924 in Paris. It's a century. Come on, landmark moment, my friends. So for a century, Fide has been the driving force behind the global chess movement, uniting more than 200 national federations and nurturing the game across every continent. And now, as a mark of unity and respect to this timeless sport, let's listen to the official Fide anthem.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. What a beautiful, inspiring anthem that was. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the game of chess has always been more than just a strategy. It's a celebration of intellect, culture, and connection. And this evening, it finds a perfect home right here in Goa, a land that embraces creativity, harmony, and spirit of togetherness.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, This grand championship stands as a testament to the vision and efforts of the government of Goa, whose constant support has turned this global dream into a reality, and to Fide for bringing the world's finest minds to this vibrant state. From the waves of music to the winds of melody, Goa spirit always sings out loud.
Absolutely, and who better to bring that spirit alive than Goa's very own, the face of Goan pride, the voice that has carried our sunshine to the world. A powerhouse performer, ladies and gentlemen, and an ambassador of Goa's heart and soul, Hema Sardesai.
And joining her is a homegrown gem, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the talented Jonathan Castro, whose music captures the heart and rhythm of this land we all love. And blending tradition with contemporary flair, one of India's most versatile musicians who has performed at leading international festivals. And we have the absolutely brilliant Ryan Sadri on the saxophone.
Woo! And completing this incredible quartet, the legendary Purbayan Chatterjee on the sitar, a child prodigy who received the President of India's Best Instrumentalist Award at just 15 years old. And together, ladies and gentlemen, they create a symphony of soul, of culture, and of celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the spirit of Goa, featuring Hema Sardesai, Jonathan Castro, Ryan Sadri, and Purbayan Chatterjee.
One, two, one. Okay, it's okay.
all smiles. I know what all smiles fill this town. I'll do it till the sun goes down, all through the night time. Yeah, I'll tell you all what you wanna hear. Leave my sunglasses on for real. It's always the right time. Yeah. With my armor on, I'll show you how strong I am. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I win. Down. You never see what's hiding out deep down. Yeah, I know I'm hurt to let your feelings show. It's the only way to make friendships grow, and I'm too brave now. I put my armor on, I'll show you how strong I am. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. 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 And now for some Goa for you. Can I see your hands up, everybody, for Goa? Udra muja mama, ariyaw Santa Tuca. Udra muja mama, ariyaw Santa Tuca. Ani mazori chapilya lagi fele maninaga. Ani mazori chapilya lagi fele maninaga. Undir mama ailo, ani pache pona cliplo. Undir mama ailo, ani pache pona cliplo. Ani mazori chapilya teka eka kasan ailo. Ani mazori chapilya teka eka kasan ailo. Kai korelo kamlo muzamai magadilelo. Kodere pekyan tegelo tokilo modilo. Kai korelo kamlo muzamai magadilelo. Kodere pekyan tegelo tokilo modilo. Kamya ba, kamya show, kamya ba 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 ba, kamya show, kamya ba, kamya show, kamya ba 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 ba, kamya show. Goan sakli stonachi, ipori konachi. Goan sakli stonachi, ipori konachi. AGI be champion, Papoy be champion, ipori konachi. AGI be champion, Papoy be champion, ipori konachi. Goa, 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 I'm cheating. Goa, 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 I'm cheating. Ladies are nice, chicks are so nice. Come to Goa, Goa, I'm cheating. Now, 1 minute. I can't hear myself. I want everybody to sing this with me. Stop it. Can you all sing this for this beautiful tournament happening and to encourage all the kids are going to hear it? Ya, ya, Maya, ya. It just goes ya, ya, Maya, ya. All right? Say ya, ya, Maya, ya. Guys, you can do better than that. This is the tournament. We need to encourage. Come on, let's do this. Ya, ya, Maya, ya. Very nice.
Ya ya maya ya, 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 ya ya Goa ya, amche Goa ya, Goa ya, champion ya, ya maya ya, maya ya, Shakespeare ya, maya ya, maya ya, maya ya, maya ya, Thank you, God bless, and rock on. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a thunderous round of applause for Goa Soul, Goa star performer Hema Sardesai and their entire team. Now, before we have our dignitaries who are going to come and speak their heart out, I have a humble request. I, Siddharth Kannan, would like to request all the players to please stand up for a second, please. Can we have the players to stand up for a second? All the players, please. Ladies and gentlemen, please applaud for them. They come from 80 countries. They are the finest chess players the world has seen. Intellect, sharpest mind, and the players can wave as well. Come on, you can give us a wave because you're going to be seen across the world. Please, everybody, cheer for them loud. Thank you to all the players from across the world to come to Goa. And we are so proud to have you here. Come on, everybody, make it louder for them.
Absolutely. What an honor to have all of you right here in Goa, where this tournament is going to happen for the next 30 days, and we will have knockout rounds, a lot of pressure. But, well, I hope you all do also get time to enjoy this beautiful land of Goa that offers such spirit of togetherness, such lively place to discover and enjoy, and of course, lots and lots of memories to cherish and make in this World Cup for all of you.
So now, we have a visionary leader who has not only guided Goa's growth across industries,
but has also placed a very strong emphasis on sports as a pillar of progress. Under his leadership, ladies and gentlemen, Goa successfully hosted the 37th National Games of India in 2023, featuring a record of 43 sporting disciplines, a landmark moment in the state's sporting journey.
Dr. Savan's vision has brought Goa to the global sporting map, from hosting international iconic events like FIFA Under-17 World Cup 2022. Of course, it's the Women's World Cup, Ironman, 70.3 Goa, World Table Tennis Star Contender, 14th edition of the Acrobatic Gymnastics Asian Championships.
Absolutely, and beyond major events, he has also championed the cause of grassroots sports development, a very, very vital thing, encouraging every Goan child to dream big and play for India. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and join me in welcoming on stage the driving force behind Goa's sporting renaissance, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant.
Good evening, friends. Good evening, friends. For the Fide World Cup 2025, first of all, I thanks Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for sending his message and supporting for this event to organize in the state of Goa. For this function, along with me, Dr. Mansubhai Madhviya, Honorable Union Minister for the Youth Affairs, Sports and Labour Employment of the Government of India. So Dr. Ramesh Tabadkar, the Minister of Art and Culture, Tribal Welfare, Sports and Youth Affairs of the Government of Goa. Mr. R.K. Dovikirjich, President of Federation International DICE. Dr. V. Kandavalu, the Chief Secretary of the Government of Goa. Nitin Narang, the President of All India Chess Federation. Sri Santosh Sukadeva, IAS Secretary of the Sports Youth Affairs. Mr. Sadanand Shet Tanavade, Honorable Member of the Rajya Sabha. Mr. Nilesh Cabral, the MLA. Rest all the dignitaries amongst the audience. And Dr. Ajay Gowdy, the Director of the Sports and Executive Director of the Sports Authority of Goa. Namaskar and warm welcome to Goa. It gives me the great pride and welcome to all of you to the opening ceremony of Fide World Cup 2025. This is one of the most prestigious events in the world of chess, and today it takes place here in our beautiful state of Goa. This is a proud moment for India and a land where the Chaturanga ancient forms of chess was born more than 1500 years ago. To see this game return to our shore and modern and global forms fill us with joy. We are proud to host this event with the presence of 206 players from 83 countries, including the world champions, grandmasters, and young prodigies. Your presence makes the Goa a meeting point for the culture and intellects. This tournament also reflects India's growing strength as a global sporting hub. Under the vision of leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, India is building the world-class sports infrastructure and giving the new opportunities to young talent. Hosting Fide World Cup in Goa is a part of that large journey, a step towards the making India is a true sporting powerhouse. Goa too is a deeply committed to this mission through the Directorate of the Sports and Youth Affairs and Sports Authority of Goa, and we have worked to improve our stadium, training center, and a sports program. We want Goa to be known for its excellence in sport. Friends, the chess is a remarkable game. It is a powerful, it demands the patience, logic, and foresights. Every move on a board mirrors life, the full of challenges and decision that shapes the outcome. That is why I am happy to see the chess growing in popularity across India and the world. From the school to online platform, the young Indians are discovering the beauty of this ancient game. It is wonderful to see the rise of the new champions who have inspired the nation, and I believe this event will motivate the even more young minds to take up the chess with passion. I take this opportunity to thank FIDE and All India Chess Federation and the Ministry of the Sports Youth Affairs of Government of India and the Sports Authority of the Government of Goa officials for their teamwork bringing this championship to a reality. My sincere appreciation to all the organizers and volunteers who have worked tirelessly to make this possible. Your dedications has transformed this vision into the international stage of excellence. To all the players, welcome to Goa, welcome to India. When you sit aboard, remember that you are the part of the legacy that began the centuries ago. Play with a clarity and confidence. Compete hard, but also enjoy this experience. Make friends, share knowledge, and take home the memories of Goa, our heritage and our warmth of our people. As we open this championship, I hope this World Cup becomes the celebration of both the sports and friendship. Let it remember us that the chess lifelike brings the people together. On behalf of the people and the government of Goa, I wish all the participants great success. Make this event inspire the new generations to think, to dream, and to achieve. With great pride, I declared Fide World Cup 2025 officially open. Welcome to Goa, welcome to World Cup, welcome to the celebration of the mind and spirit. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give the warmest round of applause to Dr. Pramod Sawant. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, truly a visionary leader. Yes, our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, has done such impactful work for the world of sports, for chess, and of course, for the society as well, and has made Goa become the hub of global sporting excellence, welcoming the world with open arms.
Absolutely. Well, moving on, ladies and gentlemen, a true visionary and the driving force behind India's fitness and youth initiatives. We now invite the Honorable Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports and Labour and Employment, Government of India, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia. Please give him the warmest welcome.
Thank you for giving us your precious time, sir. Thank you for showing us the path. Truly grateful for your presence, sir.
Today, Fide World Cup 2025, present here my good friend, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, Honorable Sports Minister Goa, Dr. Ramesh Tavadkar ji, Fide President Arkadi Dao Kovici ji, EI's CF President Nitin Narang ji, representatives from the Government of India and the Government of Goa, and all the players and guests who have joined us from every corner of the world. I extend my warmest welcome to each one of you to the scared and vibrant land of India, here on the beautiful shores of Goa at the Fide World Cup 2025. Friends, this moment is not just historic for Goa or for India. It is a proud milestone for the entire world of chess. For India, hosting the Fide World Cup again after 23 years is a matter of immense honor. When we last hosted this prestigious event in 2002, India had favored the 10 Grandmasters. Today, our Grandmaster family has grown to 88 brilliant minds and counting. But this is more than just a number. It is the story of journey, a journey that began on the land of Chaturanga, the ancient birthplace of chess, and has today positioned in India as a true global chess powerhouse. Once, the legacy of Vishwanathan Anand stood alone at the summit of Indian chess. Today, an entire generation of young stand tall, representing India as a intellect, discipline, courage, and determination. As India's Minister of Sports, I say this with great pride. 3 of the world's top players competing in this World Cup here from India. Our youth are not only participating at the highest level, they are reshaping the very landscape of chess world. This year, 206 of the world finest chess players from more than 80 countries are here in Goa to compete for glory. Each one of you carries the spirit of your nation and the dream of millions who believes in the power of strategy, intellect, and focus. In India, we believe that while strength matters, intellect matters even more and above intellect. It is discipline that truly defines greatness. And this magnificent games of 64 square is the ultimate test of this discipline. Under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, sports in India have transformed into the national movement. Initiatives like Khelo India, TOPS, and deep collaboration with sports federation have ensured that talent from the smallest village to the largest metro has the platform to shine on the global stage. This is the new India, one that does not just wins on the field, but also excels in the battlefield of the mind. Because for us, sports are not merely competition, they are culture, character, and values. When an Indian player sits across the chessboard, they carry with them the hopes, faith, and confidence of 1.4 billion Indians. And how fitting that this celebration of intellect is taking place in Goa, a land known for its natural beauty, rich heritage, and warm hospitality. This World Cup is not merely a competition, it is a celebration of India's intellect, patience, and cultural heritage of strategic thought and wisdom. Once chess is India was confined to limited few. Today, it is live in every school, every home, and in the dream of every young mind. India is sending a clear message to the world. We are not leading only in technology, economy, and defense. We are also leading in the field of sports. This transformation is the result of vision, commitment, and the collective effort of countless players, coaches, and administrators who believed in India as a potential. To every participant, remember, the board before you is not just 64 square. It is a reflection of life itself. Every move counts. Every move brings you closer to your destiny. Play with thought, play with heart, and above all, play with honor. Once again, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Fide, the All India Chess Federation, the Government of Goa, every organizer, volunteers, and supporter who have made this grand event possible. India has shown the world that we are not just ready to host tournaments, we are ready to create history. And I say this with full confidence in the coming years. India will host the Commonwealth Games in 2030 and the Olympic Games in 2036. As we begin this remarkable journey here in Goa, I welcome each of you with folded hands. In our culture, we say, Itihi Atithi Devo Bhava. Our guests are divine. You are not just participants, you are part of our family. That is the spirit of India. That is the ethos of this tournament. When this World Cup concludes, I am certain that every players, every spectators, and every guest will live with one sentiment in their heart: thank you, India. Thank you, India. Thank you, everyone, for inviting me to witness this event. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Ladies and gentlemen, the most amazing round of applause for Dr. Mansukh Mandavia. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports and Labour of Employment, Government of India. Thank you so much, sir, for always showing us the path and being so inspirational in everything you do. So now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to move on with the flag of hope for India's growing sporting legacy. You know, Meghna, people often say chess is a slow game. But if you really think about it, it's the fastest race of ideas ever played.
I couldn't agree more. You know, every move opens up a new possibility. And speaking of possibilities, here's a fact that is going to blow all of your minds. Did you guys know that chess has more possible moves than there are atoms in the observable universe?
You're really kidding me, huh?
No, I'm not. It's absolutely true. In fact, scientists estimate that there are roughly 10 to the power of 80 atoms in the entire universe. But the number of possible chess moves around 10 to the power of 120.
A1 followed by 120 zeros. That's actually very, very unimaginable. Even Google can't count that high. Endless moves, infinite possibilities. That's the beauty of chess. Every decision shapes destiny on the board.
Absolutely. And speaking of decisions, Siddharth, it's time for the one that's going to set the stage for every battle to come.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that moment that combines sports and suspense. It's time for the draw of colors.
Whoa, well, this ceremony takes on a spectacular visual form tonight with our rising star, the winner of Fide Women's World Cup 2025, Divya Deshmukh. Well, we have a spectacular showcase for the draw of colors with some incredible carnival dancers who will light up the stage, and then the chosen color will reveal deciding who makes the very first move of the Fide World Cup 2025. But first, welcome our two carnival dancers on stage. gentlemen, come on. Let's invite the lovely Divya Deshmukh up on stage. Please put your hands together and give her the warmest welcome.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, girl power at its best. Like they say in Young India, Nari Shakti, women power. Namaskar, so lovely to have you with us. Listen, you must give her a bigger round of applause.
Absolutely.
She makes us so proud. And I say this from the bottom of our heart. I can't hear you all. You know, you're a young prodigy, and you're just 19 years old. And the last time, ladies and gentlemen, India hosted the Chess World Cup 23 years back in Hyderabad, you weren't even born. Now, India's hosting the Chess World Cup after 23 years in Goa. How does it feel to be on the global platform as an Indian chess grandmaster?
First of all, it feels amazing. I think playing on the home soil, it's an entirely different feeling.
Yes.
Representing India, and there's an extra sense of pride, motivation, and wanting to do the best for India. So of course, it's an amazing feeling. I'm really, really grateful to be here and to play amongst the best.
Well, we can't wait. But you look stunning tonight. I mean, we have to say she is beauty with brains, right? Okay, so now you're going to be here in Goa for the next couple of days through the entire tournament is happening, right? So what are your plans if you were to do a little bit of unwinding when the games are not on?
World Cup, as I've already played, it has been quite an exhausting tournament. So I think Goa is the perfect venue for it because you have so many beaches, you have such a nice weather, perfect atmosphere. So I think I'm going to be fine taking some walks and relaxing. And
Absolutely. And in setting your meditative mind back for the next game.
Exactly.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right, so we're here for something very, very special. Before we actually get you to do something for us, we're going to move on the side and
This
welcome,
way.
ladies and gentlemen, our next two carnival dancers up on stage.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the stage is set, the lights are on, and the world is watching.
All right, I think this is the moment. All right, Divya, I think this is the moment when we would request you to please go and draw a color of your choice to start this tournament with. The round one of this tournament, Divya will pick the color for us.
So yes, you want to point it to us once again?
Let's take a look at what color that is. It's black, ladies and gentlemen. The Black King is chosen. All odd numbers of round one will play with black pieces. Well, thank you so much, Divya, for doing the honors.
A round of applause for the lady who makes India and the world proud. Thank you so much for being you.
Absolutely. Thank you, dancers. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, what an epic moment. Let me tell you, the magnitude of this event unfolds on Indian soil. And it doesn't happen by chance. It happens through vision, conviction, and leadership. But before that, let me tell you, being a father to two ladies, to two girls, I'm sure girls and children all across the world and players are very, very inspired by you ladies. So thank you so much for truly being a game changer.
Well, thank you, Siddharth. You have one standing right next to you.
Of course. Admire you too.
All right. Well, at the heart of that vision, ladies and gentlemen, stands our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, whose belief in the power of sports has truly transformed India's global identity.
From Khelo India to Fit India, his initiatives have not just nurtured athletes, they've inspired an entire generation to dream, to compete, and to rise like a phoenix.
And today, ladies and gentlemen, as the world's greatest minds gather here in Goa, we see that spirit of that vision come alive. India hosting yet another global sporting event milestone with pride and perfection. Under the dynamic leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, the government of Goa has shown the world what it means to blend heritage with world-class infrastructure and hospitality.
From hosting international events to nurturing homegrown talent, Goa has truly become the beating heart of India's sporting map. And of course, none of this would have been possible without the partnership and trust of Fide, bringing the world's most prestigious chess tournament right here to India. What a partnership, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, absolutely. And together, ladies and gentlemen, the government of India, the government of Goa, and Fide have not just created a championship, but a celebration of intellect, of unity, and have been able to create that timeless spirit of the game. And because this is more than just a tournament, this is India's moment on the world stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we all have been waiting for. It's time for the
Grand Trophy Unveiling Ceremony. Absolutely, the moment we've all been waiting for, the moment that is going to celebrate brilliance, determination, and the spirit of champions, made even more spectacular with the mesmerizing live performance by the Kudrat duo. An amazing fusion where the flute whispers and the beatbox roars. Founded by Rohan Parashar, the soulful flautist, and Himanshu, the powerhouse beatboxer.
And ladies and gentlemen, adding to the magic of this moment, we now invite our esteemed dignitaries to join us on stage for the grand unveiling. But before that, give it up for both these iconic musicians.
All right, make some noise. Make some noise, Goa. Come on.
the magic of this moment, we'd like to invite our esteemed dignitaries to join us on stage for the grand unveiling.
Absolutely. Please put your hands together and welcome Dr. Mansukh Mandavia,
Dr. Pramod Savam,
Dr. Ramesh Tavarkar,
Mr. Arkady Dvorkovich,
Dr. V. Kandavalu, IAS,
Shri Nitin Narangji,
Shri Santosh Sukhdeve, IAS.
Dr. Ajay R. Gowdy.
Please put your hands together and let's welcome our dignitaries up on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, because what's coming next is not just a reveal, it's a revelation.
That's right. There's a surprise waiting for you. A story of vision, of pride, of legacy, all captured in one magnificent creation. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the stunning trophy of Fide World Cup 2025.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is no ordinary trophy. It's more than metal and design. It's an emotion, a symbol of India's genius in the world of chess.
Absolutely, a trophy that will travel the world, yet always carry the pride of India wherever it goes. Let's give it up for the trophy reveal of Fide World Cup 2025.
A running trophy, a living legacy, named after the man who changed the game forever. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Vishwanathan Anand Cup. Thank you so much to all our dignitaries for making that most special reveal. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, loud and clear. What a moment, great honor for the Indian Grandmaster, and what a great moment for India. And this, ladies and gentlemen, it began with one's belief. Ladies and gentlemen, a belief, yes, ladies and gentlemen, that believes that India's rich chess legacy deserves to shine on the world stage. He conceived this remarkable idea and with a thoughtful conviction proposed it to the president of Fide, that this World Cup needed a trophy that could forever bear the name of India's greatest grandmaster. That visionary is the president of All India Chess Federation, Shri Nitin Narangji.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, behold the Vishwanathan Anand Cup, the Fide World Cup Winners' Trophy. There it is for all of us to see, a gleaming symbol of brilliance. The reward of relentless focus, the very spirit of champions forged in gold. This masterpiece, ladies and gentlemen, is crafted in brass and gold-plated to the last for life. And this is more than just a trophy, ladies and gentlemen. It's a testament to passion, precision, and perseverance. And well, before we move on any further, we would like to take a moment and felicitate all of our dignitaries present here this evening. So if I can please request Dr. Ajay R. Gowda to kindly come up on stage to help us with felicitations one more time.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Sir. So ladies and gentlemen, that most special felicitation, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ji requests you to please come on stage for this epic felicitation. Everybody, keep the applause going. Ladies and gentlemen, the felicitation of Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, as we all know, all of them as a force have made this come together. What an epic photo opportunity right here, ladies and gentlemen. And there you can see that coveted felicitation happening.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing this occasion today. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together and welcome on stage our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Please give him the warmest welcome on stage one more time. Under his able leadership, Goa has been able to host many prestigious sporting events in the last so many years.
Thank you, Dr. Pramod Sawant-ji. You're truly such a visionary. Dr. Amish Tawalkar, can I request you, sir, to please come up on stage? We're all part of history. Fide World Cup Goa 2025.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and help me invite on stage Mr. Arkady Dvorkovich. A very warm welcome one more time, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Arkady Dvorkovich. Thank you, sir. We're going to create memories together. Dr. B. Kandavalu, IAS. Thank you, sir. Remember, these are all those moments which is going to show the world the India story, the Goa story, when it comes to chess and the world of sports.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shri Nitin Narangji up on stage. A big thank you to him as well for gracing this occasion and making this opening ceremony very special.
Shri Nitin Narangji has truly changed lives of people all across. Shri Santosh Sukhdave, IAS. Glad to have you back on stage, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Well, moving on, Siddharth.
Yes. It's time to celebrate the spirit that unites all of us. Intellect, mastery, and India's timeless legacy.
Presenting, ladies and gentlemen, the official Fide World Cup song, a powerful tribute to the spirit of mind, mastery, and India.
The most prestigious tournament in chess has come to India, the home of chess.
अरे यार देगी अरे क्यों चालियो घोड़ो
Yes!
चेस खेल ये हमारा है आओ दुनिया वालों ये वेलकम तुम्हारा है अपना गेम भारी है हैंडशेक की बारी है अब इंडिया बोलेगा It's your move It's your move गोवा कर रहा है वेट It's your move Come don't be late It's your move ए तो कोई खोद
चतुरंग के सारे रंग सदियों से हैं अपने संग शतरंज बिछता है हर आंगन विश्व को दिया हमने विश्वनाथन
डंका बजा है गोवा सजा है खेल जमेगा खूब It's your move हो न जाए चेकमेट It's your move चेक में भी होगा जस्ट It's your move गोवा कर रहा है वेट It's your move Come don't be late It's your move esto todo It's your move एक दो ढाई It's your move It's your move It's your move It's your move It's your move
The Fide World Cup 2025, starting from 31st October to 27th November in Goa, India.
It's your move.
Yes, it's your move. Come on, what an engaging song. We need it louder for this. The energy, the vibe, the power of that song. It's your move. It's our move. So ladies and gentlemen, before that, I want all of you to put one hand in front. Come on, let's do the move. Let's do this. Come on, everybody. Tell them how it's done.
Okay, so everyone, put your left hand forward.
Yes.
Palm facing forward. Okay, I'm going to try and balance. So I'm going to do it here. So Siddharth, you're going to be the demonstrator.
Okay, you can use my hand.
Yes. So this is your palm, and we're going to do the knockout move, right? Because that's what we're aiming to do.
Yes.
Knock the enemy out. So it's a move.
Come on, everybody, do that.
So let's
That's
do
our
it
move.
on a thing of 3,
2, 1.
It's a
move. Yes,
Brilliant.
ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, I love the synchronicity of this side of the gathering. Should we try and see if they can do it better together?
All right, let's do this. We're going to do this. Meghna, you take side A. And I'm going to take side B. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's see how your side does this.
All right. On a count of 3, everyone, put your left palm forward. And we are ready to knock our enemy out, right? The ferocity, that drive to win. 3, 2, 1. It's a move.
Okay,
There we
my
go.
side B. I'm going to say lights, camera, action. You got to do it. And you got to do it with a sound called yay. All right? Lights, camera, action. Yay! My side 1, yeah.
No, yeah. Come on. Side A, let's give it one more time. Let's make some noise while we show the enemy who's the boss. Are we ready? Put your palm forward. All that energy that we want to drive the enemy away with. It's a move.
Okay, now
Love
side
it.
B. 1, 2, 3. It's your move.
Okay, I mean, I have to say, all of them are doing a fantastic job. So let's have a big round of applause for all of you for being a fantastic audience.
Okay, I want all my people who are behind and right there. Can you do me a small favor? Can all of you please stand up for a second, please? Sublok, please just stand up. Everybody. There, all my friends there. Okay. Now, I want you to do one small thing. It's sports. I want you to look at the person to you and give a double high five. Come on, give a double high five, everybody. High five.
High five. Come on, everyone congratulate your neighbor, your friend, your partner. Because we're all champions fighting
No,
every
Meghna,
day.
I didn't enjoy this. Look at the person. Meghna, you please come to me.
Yes.
Everybody face each other like this. 1, 2,
Two,
3, double high five. And now hold on. I'm going to teach you one small thing.
Brilliant,
In
brilliant.
India, the word shabash means well done. So I want all of you to put your hands like this. Come on, everybody. This is a shabash. My friends from overseas, put your hands like this. Shabash means well done. I want you all to say it together 3 times, looking at each other once. Say, shabash, shabash, shabash. Arey yaar, we say it from the heart once again. Shabash, shabash, shabash. Thank you. Please take your seats.
That's
Thank
the
you.
word I think everyone who's coming to Goa for the first time should take home, because shabash is congratulating your opponent for having tried his best but losing, right?
Okay, while we have a legendary performer coming up, I'm going to do a video with you all. I want you to do this. This is called the victory wave. Everybody, put your hands up and give me a victory wave now. Wow. And come on. Sir, I love this. I love this. Give me a victory wave. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Excellent. Thank you so much.
What a fantastic audience.
Yes.
I mean, I love the energy. I feel we're starting off on such a beautiful note for a tournament, this competitive and this fierce. But at the end of the day, we're all friends. We're all here to get better at the games that we play so that we can come back over and over again and play better, right?
You know, there's a line in India called Atiti Devo Bhava, which means you truly mean the world to us. You are truly like gods for us, and we are going to take beautifully care of you. So thank you so much to come to our land, India, to come to our land, Goa. And now we've got a performance coming up. A lady who's a legend in Indian entertainment. Whether it's the Indian film industry,
Absolutely.
whether it's independent music, whether it's a voice, whether it's a versatility, whether it's a show. And believe you me, you're going to get mesmerized by this legend who's coming up in a second. And I'm telling you, I, Siddharth Kannan, have grown up with her, and she is truly someone I keep on a pedestal.
I couldn't agree more, Siddharth. I feel every time we hear her voice, we literally travel to the clouds because that is the power that her voice holds. And this could not have been, I mean, it's the most beautiful way to end this grand evening of celebration for all of us.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, her music embodies everything this event stands for: energy, unity, and celebration. So let's bring the house alive. Celebrate Goa, celebrate India, and celebrate the world of chess. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Usha Otto!
Hi everybody, Namaskar, Namaskaram, Sat Sri Akal, Salam Alaikum, and a very warm welcome to Fide World Cup. Ladies and gentlemen, absolutely brilliant to be here in Goa one more time, especially for such an amazing, amazing event like this. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for making this possible for me, really. I never imagined that I would be here, but then hey, I've been playing chess ever since I met James Bond 57 years ago, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't that a long time? Jackson, can you just put this down a bit? Yeah, I need you to clap your hands because हमारे लिए आपकी हर एक ताली आशीर्वाद होती है. I mean, who gets a chance to perform for 57 years and keep coming back to Goa? Goa is special for me because one of my first movies got premiered over here. And at that time, it seemed impossible that I would ever get an opportunity to meet up with James Bond. I hear James Bond plays a really mean game of chess. And when I met him and I told him, hey, Bond, James Bond, I'm thrilled to be here in Goa. And he says, oh, wonderful, what a coincidence. I want so badly to have you in my movie. Hi. And so, ladies and gentlemen, he said to me that he's been listening to me singing James Bond movie songs for so long. He said, would I act in his film? And he gave me the date of the 31st, ladies and gentlemen. And when Shantini told me that, hey, you've got to give us the date for the amazing, amazing Fide. So I had to say no to James Bond. Can you imagine? I actually said no to James Bond for all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, do I get a hand for that? But I'm still singing his songs, ladies and gentlemen. The big song of Skyfall in a Sari. Here it is for all of you. I hope you enjoy it. And as I said, I can't live without your hands clapping, okay? Thank you. My musicians, Champon, Nepal Shore, Shubo on keyboards. Thank you. And Kabu on drums. This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth move and hear my heart burst again. For this is the end. I've drowned and dreamt each moment, so overdue I am. Swept away I'm stolen. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together at skyfall. That skyfall. Skyfall is where we start. 1,000 miles and poles apart, where worlds collide and days are dark. You may have my number, you can take my name, but you never have my heart. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together at skyfall. Where you go, I go. What you see, I see. I know I'll never be me without the security of your loving arms, keeping me from harm. Put your hand in my hand and you stand. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together at skyfall. At Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks awfully. I know I sang that song well. If it weren't for all of you, it wouldn't be possible, because I need your blessings and love and appreciation that you've given me for 57 years so that I can do it one more time. It's just fantastic to be here and to be able to say to all of you chess players, thank you for being here, and to the media for supporting this, to all our sponsors. And ladies and gentlemen, we have wonderful musicians in the audience as well. I'd like to particularly say thank you to, yeah, that's right, Colin De Cruz, who's the jazz person over here, and he's from Goa. He's done so much for music, and like you've done so much for chess, ladies and gentlemen, music and sport get together. I'd like to tell you a huge big thank you. I don't know how to use all those politically correct words like honorable. All can I say a huge big thanks with all my respect and admiration and of course gratitude to our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Thank you so much for being here and gracing the occasion. मुझे डर था कि शायद आप चले जाएंगे. And I said, no, I want to sing in front of you because probably this will be really fantastic for me to have all of you in front of me. But if you weren't there, it wouldn't be complete. Thank you so much. डॉन को पकड़ना सिर्फ मुश्किल नहीं. कोई है? बोलिए ना. डॉन को पकड़ना सिर्फ मुश्किल नहीं. जोर से बोलिए, नामुमकिन है. And ladies and gentlemen, the winners, of course, will be the Dawn of Fide. Let's go. Whatever you feel like clapping, just clap. Way!
न कोई दिन यहाँ क्या ये अंधेरा है, ये सिर्फ है धुआं. आंखें धोखा खाती हैं ये किसको पता नहीं. जाने क्या है यहाँ और जाने यहाँ क्या नहीं. है ये माया कोई रात है न कोई दिन यहाँ क्या ये अंधेरा है, ये सिर्फ है धुआं. आंखें धोखा खाती हैं ये किसको पता नहीं. जाने क्या है यहाँ और जाने यहाँ क्या नहीं. डॉन को पकड़ना सिर्फ मुश्किल नहीं, नामुमकिन है. That's right. All of you are the dons for me. हीरे जो लगते हैं वो मुमकिन है अंगारे हो. चिंगारी लगते हैं जो हो सकता है तारे हो. हीरे जो लगते हैं वो मुमकिन है अंगारे हो. चिंगारी लगते हैं जो हो सकता है तारे हो. आंखें धोखा खाती हैं ये किसको पता नहीं. जाने क्या है यहाँ और जाने यहाँ क्या नहीं. है ये माया चेहरे हैं सब एक से, तू कैसे पहचानेगा. दुश्मन है या दोस्त है तू कैसे ये जानेगा. सब एक से तू कैसे पहचानेगा दुश्मन है या दोस्त है तू कैसे ये जानेगा आंखें धोखा आती है ये किसको पता नहीं जाने क्या है यहाँ और जाने यहाँ क्या नहीं है ये माया है ये माया है ये माया ये माया Thank you so much. Don ko pakarna sir mushkil nahi. It's absolutely impossible to catch up with all the work that you are doing. Ladies and gentlemen, here's one of my first songs, and as I said, this was premiered here in Goa. Let's go. It's a brand new song. I hope all of you love it. Get your hands, everyone. Come on, you know this song. I can't believe chess players are so serious. Come on. Dum maro dum mit jayega bolu subah shaam Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Dum maro dum mit jayega bolo subah shaam Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Oh What would you like to sing actually? दुनिया ने हमको दिया क्या और चाहे जिएंगे मरेंगे दुनिया Alright, so will you sing with me? Come on, let's go. When I say 1, 2, 3, 4 दुनिया ने हमको दिया क्या Come on 1, 2, 3, 4 दुनिया ने हमको हम सबकी I love you for that. Thank you. One more time. दुनिया ने हमको दिया क्या हम सबकी परवाह सबने हमारा किया अभी आप कीजिए मिट जाएगा बोलो सुबह शाम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम That was for you, ladies and gentlemen. जो भी करते हैं शान से करते हैं just like Fide and the wonderful, wonderful organizers. Let's go. शान से करते हैं जितने भी लोग हैं यहाँ पे I thank you all for staying on. Get your hands together, come on. Thank you very much. दोस्तों से प्यार किया, दुश्मनों से भी प्यार किया, जो भी किया हमने किया। बोलिए आपके लिए शान से, दोस्तों से प्यार किया, फिदे से बहुत प्यार किया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से। Colin, Diana, wherever you are. Hey. दोस्तों से प्यार किया, जैज़ इंडिया से बहुत प्यार किया, जो भी किया हमने किया And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to do for you a very, very important song. It says, जहाँ पर भी मैं कहूँ नाचे नाचे, आप लोग कहिएगा नाचे नाचे. Okay? Are we ready? Let's go. Darling. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is a song which we had planned to do as our last song. So here it is. Kakali, kamaya, saduya gadamali, kamali, kamaya, kalin, kakali, kamaya, saduya gadamali, kamali, kamaya, kalin, kakalina, kalin, kakalina, kalin, kamaya. Oh, this is lovely. Thank you. I'm sure you must be from Russia, right? Let's go. Tiga zala poni dilom pidam razum po barvina, rishope bene ma pitmanulla pitella, tishmene pitmanulla, tishmene pitella, tishmene moloto sumaru sumastella, tishmene pitmanulla, tishmene pitella, tishmene moloto sumaru sumastella. And now, ladies. Okay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to say how thrilled we are to be here with all of you. So before we do Darling, we'd like to do for you, I want you all to stay, yeah? We'll do for you a lovely Goan song and then go into the song that was inspired called Darling. Or shall we do Darling first? Let's Darling. This is for you. Darling, आँखों से आँखें चार करने दो, रुकना रुकना मुझको प्यार करने दो. Darling, आँखों से आँखें चार करने दो, रुकना रुकना मुझको प्यार करने दो. बेकैफ है बहारा, बेचैन जाने यारा, बुलबुलों को अभी इंतजार करने दो. Darling, आँखों से आँखें चार करने दो. musicians. Darling, sorry तुझे संडे के दिन रहमत हुई. Darling, मिलना तेरा फजले खुदा रहमत हुई. Darling, sorry तुझे आते हुए रहमत हुई. Darling, मिलना तेरा फजले खुदा रहमत हुई. रहमत हुई. Darling, खादिम को दिल पे तो इख्तियार करने दो. Darling, आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो. रुकना रुकना मुझको प्यार करने दो. Hey, spasiba everybody. Darling, छोड़ो जरा शर्माने का ये कायदा. Darling, हैरत भी है गैरत भी है क्या फायदा. Darling, छोड़ो जरा शर्माने का ये कायदा. Darling, हैरत भी है गैरत भी है क्या फायदा. क्या फायदा. Darling, पब्लिक में सनसनी एक बार करने दो. Darling, आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो. रुकना रुकना मुझको प्यार करने दो. बेकैफ है बहारा बेचैन जाने यारा. बोलो तो अभी इंतजार करने दो. Darling, आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो. Darling, आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो. Darling, a big hand for the wonderful dancers, ladies and gentlemen, and for Kalinka, and for everybody over here. Now, before you go, I'd like to do a song, especially for Goa, and one of my biggest hit songs. So all of you stay and dance, okay, yeah? It's really a beautiful song. We'd like to sing it. And this one's dedicated to Jazz Goa and to all of you over here, ladies and gentlemen. Chris Perry gave me this song to sing so many moons ago. So here it is. I hope you like my Kalinka. Did you like it? Yes, thank you. Tell me. La 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 la. Don't go, don't go. La 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 la. Meu amor, ai minha dor, quanto senti por teu amor. Whoa, get your hands. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to say thank you to my musicians. Let's have a big hand for Shampad, Nepal Shaw, Kabul, and for Shubho. What would we do without Samaresh and Rita? Get your hands, everybody. Everybody stand up and dance. And maybe you can put your torches on. Put your mobile torches on for Fide World Cup Goa 2025. No Romoso, Portugal, Aklan, Boma, e Tolo. Ye unto meu amor, murma, kagopan, e Tolo. E kutsuma, korastolo, ojalagi, kazar, tozatolo. Honeymoon, makagoya, ke un nascosto, Kushal Borinami Ponche, Budwara Conche, Mandovi, Hotel Atriranche. Prestaradisi, Guardia Guinza, Saibat, Visitinche. Sukrarak Mapshia, Bazaran, Jantin, Amikinche. Son Barakalang good boson, Doriache, Udoknauche, Aitarakai Nagafokot, Karatuchri Rauche. Lovely, thank you. Everybody, come on. See the dancers along with all of you. I love you. This is what celebration is all about. Ai minha dor, quanto senti por teu amor. We love you all. Thank you so much. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been an absolutely fantastic experience for me to be able to sing Kalinka for all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Usha Otto! One of the greatest performers of all time, ladies and gentlemen, and Hormuz Kambara Dance Company. You guys are fabulous. From Shah Rukh Khan to Deepika Padukone to Rajnikant, everybody loves you all. Well done, my friends. Ladies and gentlemen, it can't get bigger and better than Usha Uttop. Usha ma'am, we love you. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Siddharth Kannan. With me is my fabulous co-host, Meghna. Ladies and gentlemen, it's that moment where we've got to say bye to our friends. Thanks to all the people who made this event happen because of their love, their support, and of course, belief in Fide World Cup Goa 2025 touching sky high. A big thank you to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji.
And of course, to our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant ji.
The Honorable Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia.
And the Honorable Minister for Art and Culture, Tribal Welfare and Sports and Youth Affairs, Dr. Ramesh Tawarkar. A heartfelt thank you to Fide, the Government of India, the Government of Goa, the Sports Authority of India, the Sports Authority of Goa, the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Goa Police, Medical and Emergency teams that have been here, the traffic officials, Goa Tourism, and every department and partner and volunteer whose tireless efforts have made this event a shining success. Your dedication, your precision and spirit have truly brought the essence of India alive right here on this global stage.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am Siddharth Kannan, truly privileged and honor to host the Fide World Cup Goa 2025. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, 80 countries, the sharpest intellects across the world, battling it out in India, in Goa, and of course all of us joining hands and raising the flag high for young India, for chess, for sports, and we did it together. So this is me, Siddharth Kannan, along with my co-host Meghna, signing off. Remember, play on, keep the determination, keep the power going, because it's all about self-belief.
Absolutely. Well, the next few days are going to be an absolute knockout for all the participants. And of course, it's going to be a grueling one because we have the best minds of the world sweating it out right here in Goa for the Fide World Cup 2025. It's been an honor to be your host on this glorious, momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Meghna Kaushik signing off. Take care and all the best.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, big thank you to our friends backstage, the friends at the console, everyone who worked hard on this event, the event team, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, Fide World Cup Goa 2025.
Hello everyone, welcome to JRF Prepara 24/7. This is Dakshita Singh, your guide for English literature, and this is part 2 of